Hello, this is Jen and Reviews, and let me tell you why this pair of true wireless earbuds is my favorite so far. So this is the best one, the best kit of earbuds that I have to work out, and they are just awesome. This was a free sample provided by occiam. So mine is color pink, as you can see, and they come with a charging case. Here, the right, the left, and as you can see, this is how it looks on the charging case. It comes with a cable to charge, which is you have to charge them. The case has 48 hours of charge, and you can charge them up to 6 times. Also, there's this little baggie with the earbuds. They're very soft, they're very comfortable, and I love this. It also comes with a manual, so when you pair it to your phone, it will say T17. And I love them because you can run, practice any sport, and then they won't fall off the ears. So let me just put this one in to give you an example. So the hook is awesome because it will keep them in place all the time. And then you can also take calls. They use minimum power while taking calls and talking on the phone. And also you're able to listen to music. They have a great sound, and you're able to control here the volume. They are absolutely amazing. I love them. They also have different colors besides the pink, and I hope you can check them out. Thank you for watching my video.